You won't believe what Midjourney just did, turning a single photo into an AI-generated video. Midjourney just launched their first ever AI video model, V1, and the results are seriously impressive. The video you're watching right now was made using that tool. Pretty incredible, right? Now here's the exciting part. I'm going to show you how you can create similar high-quality videos using another tool called Edimakor. Let's get started. Now, let's open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, you can find the link in the description area. Okay, after we opened it, let's head over to the left section. Click AI Video. Here, you can see tons of AI video tools you can use. You can see it has a collection full of pre-made AI effects you can easily use, and you might notice there are many familiar effects like AI kiss, kung fu fighting, AI dance videos like PUBG dance, jiggle jiggle, Ghibli show, mermaid, old photo come to life, and so on. And our channel has made some videos using those AI features. You can watch it, and if you like the effect, try it out. Okay, now, under that is image to video. The process starts with an image. You can create the image in Edimakor itself or upload it from your personal computer. This image-based video generator is very great because it gives you control of what video you want with a simple prompt. In this case, I will type, "He slowly raises his hand, frost spreading across his body as clouds." And here we can choose whether the video should be 5 seconds or 8 seconds long. Also, choose the resolution from 360p to 1080p. And here we have our result. You can see it can understand the prompt perfectly. He raises his hand. The effect of the frost and the smoke is good too. So far, I've only shown you the surface of this tool, but I've got many more tutorial videos on my channel. And I will also keep uploading great and informative videos in the future. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.